Are you looking for the latest SAP GUI Logon Pad for your Windows system? If yes, then your search ends here. Hello everyone, I am Murtuza Mahmood Sayed, and today I'll be showing you how to install SAP GUI Logon Pad version 8.0 on your Windows machine in a step-wise manner. So let's get rolling. And here we go. So out here you are seeing that I have a SAP GUI 8.0 for Windows zip file on my system that I've already downloaded. I've extracted the file. So just click on the folder that you have extracted. You need to double click. You'll see a folder PRES1. Just double click here again. Then go to GUI folder, then Windows folder. And here you'll see two folders now, Win32 and Win64. This completely depends on the operating system of your laptop or your machine. In case your operating system is a 32-bit one, then you need to go for Win32. In case it's a 64-bit operating system, you need to select Win64. Since my laptop uses or works upon 64-bit operating system, I'll just double click on Win64. And out here you'll see different folders, different components. So instead of deciding and just thinking which component I should install, simply double click on setup all, and this will give you a prompt. This prompt says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. And here we go. The SAP frontend installer just comes up. Loading process has started. Yes. And you have the window. Just click the next on the installer wizard window. Now here you need to select the component that needs to be installed. Since we are just installing SAP GUI for Windows 8.0 64-bit, I just select the checkbox for the first one, click next, and you need to select the target directory, click next, and just wait for the next option, and you'll see the installation process has started. So here we go. And just mind well, you need to keep some patience out here because this is a big file, a big installation file. So this might take a few minutes, like this prompt says. So you need to just keep waiting for a while. Yes, 1% and 2, 3. Great, great. 14, yes. And here you can just see what all installation files are being processed, just for information in case you are interested. 31, 32, yes. 33, uh-huh. 56, yes, yes. You'll have to keep some patience out here during the installation process since this will take some time, but I say the wait is worth it since at the end you'll be seeing and working on the latest SAP GUI Logon Pad version. Yes. Yes, it's done. Okay. So the installation will be completed when you reboot your computer. Alright, click on close. Now, yep, after this you can reboot your computer. And yep, let's see the SAP UI logon pad. And yep, you need to select SAP Login 64. Yeah, it's loading SAP GUI for Windows. Yes, look how beautiful it is. SAP Logon 800. Yes, but now since you have installed the SAP Login Pad, I don't think your work ends here. You'll have to add in a server details so that you can log into the SAP system actually and get your job done. So for that, for the sake of demo, we have a demo system details out here. So what we'll do is we'll just go in and try to add these details in SAP Login Pad. Click New Connection. Yes, click Next. Description can be SAP uh demo system. Then system ID is E87, instance is 69, and application server details is directly being copied out here in the application server. Note that there is no SAP router string that needs to be updated. Click on next, next, and finish. So yeah, here you have finally added the SAP server details. Now just double click this, and here is the magic. See, you have added and opened up the SAP easy access screen, the SAP login screen. Just click on demo 1 or enter the user ID. Just for this demo, I've entered it as demo 1, and I'll enter a password. Okay, it says loading data, and here's the actual SAP easy access screen. Yes. So friends, yes, finally we have installed the SAP Login Pad system, and can say we have also added in the server details. We have logged into SAP. So just tell me in the comments how you like this video, and go and smash the like button, click on subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications of my video releases immediately. And to get the SAP Logon Pad software details, you'll see the download details out here in this description. Please go in and check. And that's it from my side. Thank you, and we'll see you again.